Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you a different ladybug that I've seen. This is our peach tree and we have a couple of ladybugs right here. Let's see, they're kind of all over the branch. I'm not really sure. Oh, there's one kind of hidden right there. But I wanted to show you this ladybug that I've never seen before. Here's another one. At least it was on the other side of this branch. But I'm hoping I can get this into focus. So it's a gray ladybug, which is tucked right there, right here. Not sure if you could see it. There's another regular ladybug. So I'm hoping you can see it. It's tucked in this leaf here. It's in focus and it's gray. Okay, so I decided to pick the leaf off so you can get a better view, but see, there it is. Never saw a gray one. I did do an internet search and I guess there are different color ladybugs or beetles. These are all beneficial. Oops. So I'm going to go ahead and just, since I already picked off this leaf, I'm just going to go ahead and have it scoot on over to another leaf. Makes me wonder just what's on the peach tree that there's all these ladybugs. I don't know, there might be maybe some tiny little bugs that I can't see. Here's another orange one, but I guess as long as they do their job and keep any pests away, that'll be great. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.